Hello, my name is Wendy Merchan. Santa Marta City Travel Gate. Santa Marta, a place located on the coast with a warm climate and the most beautiful beach that will allow you to live adventures and wonderful sensations. Duration of the trip is 3 days and 2 nights. Day 1. Arrival at the hotel. Breakfast at the hotel. Departure to know the city of Santa Marta and its historical place. Lunch. Enjoy the Rodadero Beach. Dinner. Campfire and dance on the beach. Rest. Day 2. Breakfast at the hotel. Excursion departure of the Tayrona National Natural Park and ruins of the Love City. Back to the hotel. Dinner. Night activities in the city. Rest. Day 3. Breakfast at the hotel. Visit to the fight of the San Pedro Alejandrino. Walk along with the beach, Crystal Beach, Homecoming. Santa Marta is a historical place because it is necessary to take a ride in a carriage. It will be a magical experience. In addition to going to know the beach, you must do it by boat, and walking will be a very good option since you will be able to learn much better. Some activities we can do. You can take ecological walks, know different historical and architecture places of the city, enjoy the beach, the sea, its gastronomy. You can also dive and observe the different species of fish, ride a boat, yacht, and jet ski. Visit the aquarium and different places that will show at its diversity. You can also attend bonfires and parties on the beach. During the trip, it is important to rest well and comfortable, so it's recommended to stay in a hotel near the beach. You will also find cabins that are cheaper and, of course, comfortable. You will find different types of gastronomy where there are expensive and cheap dishes with seafood as well as ceviche, carimañolas, patacones, mote, chipi chipi, sancocho, coconut, lemonade, cocktails, and a variety of refreshing drinks. Cost. The travel package has a cost of 1 million per couple that includes round-trip tickets, accommodations, food, and different activities related to the tour guide. Thank you.